Today's job, we have a Porsche Cayenne Hybrid. I've done a bit of correction work to the paint to get it ready for Feynlab ceramic detailer spray. It's been all, there you go, washed, removed all the tar off it, took all the iron out of the paint with KD Ferrum. Then we used Mistex. There we go. We used breakaway on the wheels, cleaned the calipers, dressed the tires. There we go. Gave the interior a good interior valet as well. We used Feynlab's leather cleaner and protective. Did the dash, windows inside and out. And there we are. It's nice when they let you put a sticker on the back of the car. Shows they trust you. Happy with the work. And there we go. And the wheels again. Yes, I know the wheels could do with being conditioned. That's the next thing. They're going to be sent in to Wheel Wizards to be refurbed. Just the tracks from the rest of the car now. But there you go. 4 months protection with a ceramic detailing spray. Where would you get it? And that finish is absolutely flawless. So, if you're due to get a new car and you want to get your car protected, get in contact with me on Keoghscarvaleting 087 151 2263. Have a great weekend, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.